Okay. Basically, first you have to enable real-world measurements by clicking on the cone icon, clicking on Units, changing the unit scale to 0.001, and then change the length to whichever one of these. Let's go with millimeters for now. Now you select your character eyes first, then the face mesh, and with the help of the sidebar, scale your face to the diameter it needs to be. Let's say 18 millimeters perhaps? Yeah, let's go with that. Now that you've done that, you can either make eye cutouts or mold the eyes into the face mesh. I'm going to show both methods. First, you select the outer edges of the face and spam the E button and left click a bit to trick the subdivision thing to give us completely sharp edges. Do it like 3 to 4 times and then actually extrude and scale down one of them. Do the same for the eye holes. Then you connect the top of the eye holes to this bit up here, then you select an edge by left clicking and holding the Alt key to select everything together. Then press F to fill in. Now, it'll produce this weird result at first, but can easily be fixed by going to Face Select, right clicking, and selecting Triangulate Faces. Now insert a sphere and add a mirror modifier on it for the new eyes and set the radius to either 3 or 4 since people usually use 6 or 8mm airsoft pellets for HO models. Position them to where the old eyes are, and if they clip through the face too much, feel free to bring them back. Another precaution I want to mention is that if your eyes are positioned dead center on the x-axis, rotate them a bit, just in case the boolean modifier bugs out. Speaking of which, after you've done that, select the face and open the modifiers tab, select boolean, click on the eyedropper tool, select the eyes, and click apply. And there you go. Now you just export it as an STL file. To do the version with molded eyes, literally all you have to do is extrude from this outer layer, bring it back to like here so that it covers the eyes, apply subdivision, add the boolean modifier, have the object be set to the eyes of the operation set as a union, apply modifier, delete the eye meshes, add a cube, bring it back to here and scale it to cover the entire excess part of the face mesh. Select the face again, add another boolean modifier, set the object to the cube you just scaled, apply it, and you're done. Export it as an STL file as well. But yeah, that's it for this video. Obviously use hashtag BlenderTTTEface on Twitter if you've got any questions or when you want to show me your work. I'll see you all later.